Hi guys, welcome to my dad's 2015 Audi S5. Today I'm going to show you how you can properly maintain a car. Now you guys probably saw that V6T. This means very 60, and that's because 0 to 60 is very fast. So that's pretty clever labeling there by Audi. Their marketing department must have put lots of thought into that. See these scuffed wheels? A really good way to take the scuffs out is just to sand it down nicely. So you take a grinder or a sander, you just grind it and then you sand it after that. And the scuff will be good as gone. So this is the gas cap. And I don't know what gas it takes, so I just use helium. It's worked fine so far. Okay guys, now these are the exhaust tips. And they can get really dirty. So what you want to do is you want to spray lots of water inside there. You just want to spray it all up in there. Take a toilet brush and just clean it on the outside. The deeper you get, the further in you can actually clean the exhaust. Frees up some extra horsepower. You know, it's pretty good. Right guys, so now we get onto the engine bay. Now, this is the heart of the car. This is where all the magic happens. Now, this is all the engine. The engine goes up to the back here. If you look over here, you see this is where the oil goes. Now if you want to give your car a long lifespan, use the best oil you can. I always use extra virgin olive oil. That's always, you know, worked well so far, and it tastes delicious too. So I mean, if it tastes good, why wouldn't it work well? So what you see here is a windshield wiper washer. And now what you want to do is, because you know all the muck from all the bugs and dirt and stuff gets inside, so you want to forcefully remove it, and you just want to clean inside with a toothbrush. Okay, and then you can just push it back in. End of story. Now we come to the convertible roof. These can sometimes get dirty. If you don't want it to scuff, don't buy a convertible. So sometimes when you go on a really spirited drive, you can get lots of bugs and dirt on the front, and they can be really hard to get off. What you want to do is, again, take your toilet brush, you know, make it a little bit wet and just scrub it really hard to get all those bugs off there. Or take a broom or something and just, you know, wipe it across there. That's worked for me. If you're happy with it afterwards, you know, you can just take some spit, rub it on there, and it actually looks really nice afterwards. I really like the polished kind of look afterwards. And that was my maintenance review of the 2015 Audi S5. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all, send me an email to speedcomparer@gmail.com. I can give you much more tips on how to maintain your car.